Assalamualaikum and hi. Today we will present about our project which is the Smart Trash Bin Monitoring System. This is the team members for our project.
Alaikum, I'm Ahmed Hussein. For our presentation today, we are explaining more about our company, CFSN for Sustainable Solution. We were involved in innovation industry for superior yields. It was established in 2018 in June, and it's located in Milaka at Ayar Kiro. The idea and the company was established by 7 young innovator people that all graduated from Unique LMFI, and proudly I'm one of them. And we use all this proper training and acknowledgement to get a reputation of excellency and professionalism, and to get the right climate for a sustainable business relation with our clients. The idea and the company was established to find more solution for our environment, for our planet, and inshallah for our next generation. And we specialize in sensor and automation intelligence sector.
There are two important of the innovation. The first one is growth and expansion. Economic growth is driven by innovation and technological improvement, which reduce the production cost and enable higher output. Improve productivities and efficiency, make work more meaningful as less time needs to be spent on a low impact task. The second one is competitive advantage. This means the necessary advancement in capabilities that provide an edge in comparison to competitor of the industry.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Arif Mazlan. Today I will be presenting on background of an existing product. So, first point, technically as we know that collecting trash have been inefficient due to we don't know if the trash is full or empty. Second point is, as you can see from the picture, that the ultrasonic attached inside the bin is to allow the user to detect the fill level of the waste container. Third point is, the ultrasonic is used to track or keep track of the trash inside the container before it full or overflowing. And the last one is, when the ultrasonic detect if the trash is full or before it's overflowing, so it will notify the city council or alert them that say the trash is need to be cleared or for the further action. Move on to the next slide, problem statement of an existing product. Point number one is low quality of the air. About 50% of the waste generation is from residential. As you can see from the pie chart below, 48% is residential, and the second highest is the industrial. It takes about 24% of the pie chart. As we know that most of the European country, they have about 10% of the air pollution from the household waste. You can see from the chart below. Second point for the problem statement is absence of indicator for hazardous waste. Hazardous household waste, which includes corrosive waste, toxic waste, flammable waste, and reactive waste, are commonly disposed of the regular trash bin, which harms the community and the environment if left untreated. It is norm for people to throw different types of waste inside one of container waste, and it is very dangerous.
My name is Ahmad Zahid bin Muhammad Zahid. So the reason why the product needs to be innovated is because the issues of this smart trash bin will impact not only the community but also the country. The existing smart trash bin needs to be innovated because of the low quality of air spread and leads to environmental damage, and it can also harm people's health. Based on the World Health Organization known as WHO, ambient air pollution accounts for an estimated 4.2 million deaths per year due to stroke, heart disease, lung cancer, and chronic respiratory disease. The rotten smell indicating of organic waste could attract flies and breed bacteria that contribute to the spread of diseases such as cholera, diarrhea, and leptospirosis. The second reason is to create a safe and hygienic environment in the community, especially for kids ranging from newborn to 12 years old, by monitoring every waste that goes into the waste bin be implemented with a gas sensor. In the long term, hazardous household waste could cause various physical and mental health effects that are harmful and dangerous to everyone, especially kids in their growth development. On the other hand, the product needs to be innovated to avoid unexpected accidents. For instance, explosions, fire, and dangerous air pollution that can quickly occur without good awareness among the community.
My name is Muhammad Shahrizal bin Iskanlan. Okay, for our project, the type of innovation is modular innovation, which is a slight customization of existing product. This is because the existing product does not have much to upgrade. For our project, we add gas sensor and ultrasonic sensor to improve the existing product. Okay, our product implement Industrial Revolution 4.0 element, which is IoT. The integrated IoT system in the product will send data collected by sensor to City Council for alerting them the operational status of the trash bin, category of product for our project, which is improvement. Okay, the improvement that we made on the existing product is adding a gas sensor that can detect smell and burning element in the bin, and ultrasonic sensor that can detect the level of trash in the bin. This collected data can be used to plan a pickup schedule for the trash bin. Okay, by adding these two sensors, it will prevent waste or rubbish to be overloaded and smell.
This is the design for this smart trash bin monitoring system. There are 5 components that are used for this product. The first one is ultrasonic sensor, the second one is gas sensor, third one is controller box, the fourth one is the DC motor, and the last one is LED indicator. These figures show the dimension of the product. The height of the dustbin is 1000 mm, the length of the dustbin is 550 mm, then the width of the dustbin is 500, and the weight of this dustbin is 3 kg.
Moving on, I will continue with the aspects of product. So the first aspect is usability. The purpose of our product is to create a hygienic and hazard-free trash bin for users, which can be monitored from the control room of City Municipal Department for smooth and efficient trash collection schedule. This product is beneficial for both users and customers. The next aspect is functionality. So the controller in the bin is programmed using Arduino IDE, while the electronic circuit is designed and simulated using Proteus. The data collected by the sensors will be sent to MQTT broker using Python IDE, and from there, the data is received and visualized in Node-RED with the application of dashboard. There are a variety of types of data visualization. For example, we have each, table, bar graph, line graph, and many more. All the data from devices and sensors will be stored in a database for future purposes. And in this case, we employ a software called dbeaver. So the next aspect is originality. We've added 2 new features that are gas sensor and motor. Gas sensor is used to detect the air, is used to monitor the air quality and also to detect hazardous gases, while the motor is used to automatically open the lid when the ultrasonic sensor detects the presence of people. And the last aspect is technology. We have employed one of the Industrial Revolution 4.0 pillar, which is Internet of Things, which is called IoT. So it enables us to transfer data to a network without requiring human-to-human or human-to-computer interaction. This is the electronic circuit that we have designed for our product. The software that we use is called Proteus. The next software is called Node-RED, which is a flow-based development tool for visual programming. So basically, this is the overall flow for our smart trash bin. Moving on is the dashboard. So for the dashboard, we use 3 different types of data visualization, which is table, gauge, and also line graph. The staff of City Municipal Department can easily monitor the level of trash in the bin, and also monitor any abnormalities in the gas level for detection of hazardous gases and air quality. This is the line graph that we have obtained from our product. So this is a graph of date versus bin level, and the next one is date versus gas level. Lastly, all the data from sensors and devices are stored in a database. And in this case, we're using a software called dbeaver, which is a multi-platform database for management tool.
The total cost for one smart trash bin is Rm 382 ringgit and X cents. All the materials that used in this smart trash bin are shown in table below. So, this is the video for simulation of the model.
My name is Mohammed Haris bin Ahmad Radim. Today I will explain to you about the target market for our company. So, this is industry under City Council in Malaysia. Start with Melaka. The company size is large because of the City Council will cover all the area that they apply the smart trash bin. The location is in Melaka. For operating characteristic, the technology scope, our company implement the IR 4.0 with Internet of Things IoT, where the data collected from the trash bin will be sent to the host computer or person in charge in real time. And centralized monitoring using the data visualization technique such as pivot table, line graph, and etc. Next, 4 benefits of the product. Save cost and time to optimize the waste collection process in the generation of real time. Second, offer efficient and systematic picking schedule. With real-time information, this will help the City Council in department to effectively route the schedule the movement for waste collection based on collected data. Lastly, easy monitoring. IoT will provide the information to City Council quick and accurate. With these benefits, the overflowing trash could also avoid and the city will stay clean and clear.
That's all our presentation. Thank you.